we are aware that it is going to be summer. Therefore, we are going to make arrangements whatever possible, like shade, fans, mist fans, etc. Chairs wherever possible, even in the queues, so that Madhyamadalu people can take some rest. We will also be having paramedical staff in the polling stations to take care of any untoward incident of heat stroke, etc. But my request to all the voters will be, we have 3 crore 31 lakh voters in the state. To make the facility for them to vote, as I said earlier, 3 lakh of our own people will also be working in the same heat. So please do come and vote on 30th. It is, I am sure that all of us can rise to the occasion, all of us can make this trip to the polling station. Like we make effort wherever, whenever we want. I am seeing that IPL season is right now going on. There is so much of demand for the tickets. People are braving the heats and going there. That is for their entertainment. Similarly, I would request all the voters to also come to the polling station. It is their responsibility also, along with their right to come and vote. Every vote makes a difference. There have been cases in the past where some people have won or some people have lost because of 1 or 2 votes. So every vote is important. Please do come and vote.